Which among the following countries has a presidential form of government? The USA. A hopeless tribal woman of Assam sends a telegram to the Supreme Court that the police have confined her to unlawful custody. Which of the following writs shall be issued by the Supreme Court to provide a suitable remedy to her? Habeas corpus. The term of office of the Chief Election Commissioner is 6 years. In a constitutional monarchy, the real power is enjoyed by the Council of Ministers. The concept of constitution first originated in the USA. The parliamentary form of government first evolved in Britain. The cabinet system of government first evolved in Britain. The Constitution of India describes India as a union of states, which means that the states have no right to secede from the federation. The President of India has the power to take over the administration of a state if its government cannot be carried on according to the provisions of Article 356. Of the two houses of the Union Parliament, Lok Sabha is more powerful. The fundamental right which permits Indian citizens free discussion and exchange of views, including the freedom of the press, is the right to freedom of speech and expression. The Constitution of India describes India as the union of states. The first woman to become the Speaker of State Assembly in India was Shanu Devi. The salaries of the judges of the Supreme Court are drawn from the Consolidated Fund of India. Which among the following subjects is contained in the concurrent list, that is education? Is in the division of the power under the Constitution, who has been given more powers? The sender. The theory of basic structure of the Constitution was propounded by the Supreme Court in Keswananda Bharati case. In which part of the Constitution is the state enjoyed the established Panchayati Raj institutions? Directive principles. Which one of the following is charged to the Consolidated Fund of India and can be spent without authorization by Parliament? Debt charges for which the Government of India is liable, salaries, allowances and pensions of the judges of the Supreme Court, and salaries and allowances of the President. According to the Supreme Court, the goal of Indian socialism is a blend of Marxism and Gandhism, leaning heavily towards Gandhian socialism. The quorum of a legislative council is 1/10 of its membership, or 10, whichever is greater. The maximum permitted strength of any one state in the Rajya Sabha is 39. To whom among the following groups is the right against exploitation guaranteed by the Indian Constitution? Children. The procedure for resolving a disagreement between the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha is a joint session of the two houses on a directive from the President. Which among the following countries has a unitary system of government? United Kingdom.